Look at those juicy ass thighs. No, I mean these thighs. This is my go-to chicken thigh recipe that just leaves me smiling for days. I've been making this for years, and I hope you will too. Lemon and orange zest just gives me life. I just love citrus. Like, I'm always tempted to make a line of zest and just snort that shit. Disclaimer, don't. Just don't. Add that zest to some softened butter along with rosemary and thyme, garlic, a little salt and pepper. This is my second favorite kind of herb butter.
What's your first?
A different kind of herb butter.
Can I get some bread?
Pat dry those chicken thighs and spread that butter underneath the skin. Okay, Buffalo Bill. And season both sides with salt and pepper. Heat up an oven-safe skillet, drizzle some olive oil, and then place those thighs skin side down to get them nice and browned. Because remember, brown is good. Just like a massage, you gotta flip those thighs over and get the other side. Add in lemon and orange slices and some onion too. And then pop it in the oven and let it roast to finish cooking. Every time.
Oh my God, I love you.
You love me?
Not to get to the chicken. You need to make this.
And the citrus slices? Get the full recipe on justeatlife.com. If you like this video and want to support us so we could keep going, we would love for you to join Mouthful. It's our monthly membership community where we share shit not seen anywhere else, and we provide even deeper experiences with me and my whole team. So head over to justeatlife.com so you could sign up today. We love you and thank you.